Alright, let's solve this third example under the study of the third method under the differential equation. So first, so let's y to be vx. So let y to be vx. So let the y over the x to be v plus x dv dx. Alright, this one gives you v plus x dv dx equals y is what said is vx, perhaps all squared, as in this case, plus 3x into v. Y is what? Vx. Alright. All over x squared v plus x dv dx is equal to v squared x squared plus 3x squared v. X times x squared. This 3 is this, x squared. This v is this. So all over x squared. What am I doing here? Factorizing. That gives you v plus x dv dx is equal to x squared into v squared plus 3v. 3v. Alright. All over x squared. Of course, x squared times v squared x squared plus x squared times 3v. That gives 3x squared v. Same thing. From here, I'll take v to the other side. But before then, this one will cancel this. So take v to the other side. I'll have v plus x dv dx is equal to, I'm left with what? V squared plus 3v all over, that's all, plus 3v. This one here. Take this one here, that gives you x dv dx equals v squared plus 3v minus v. X dv dx gives you v squared plus 3v minus v, that gives you 2v. Simplify this one here, that gives you x dv over dx equals v squared plus 2v. Apply variable separation method. Alright, take this one here first. That gives you x dv equals v squared plus 2v. Okay, I have what? Dx. Take this dx here first. I have dx. I want to make sure that, so my first task, divide both sides by v squared plus 2v. V squared plus 2v. V squared plus 2v. I want to make sure that v and x are separated. So this one here cancel this. I have x dv over v squared plus 2v equals just the x. I can easily shift out this x down here. In other words, I'll be having dv over v squared plus 2v equals dx over x. Shift this x down here, that gives you this. From there, I will integrate through. That gives you the integral of 1 over v squared plus 2v dv is equal to the integral of 1 over x dx. I expect you should know what I did from there. So I've done this so far. You should know what I did from there. Alright. From here, how do you integrate this? Here is ln x plus c. I will know x plus c. But how do you integrate this one here? Will you call this ln v squared plus 2v? How to integrate this one? Now listen, you can't easily integrate this as being, because I have 1 over something, that gives you ln into v squared plus 2v. This man is wrong. Now ln follow the idea of linear. linear means the power of that variable is 1. If you observe here, this one became lin x because the power attached to this x is 1. The power attached to this v is not 1. It is what? It is square. So lin follows what? Linear. So this man here is not linear. In other words, I have to now listen. If I have the integral of 1 over v plus 2v, this can be expressed as what? Ln into ln v plus 2v. This is correct because the power here are linear. So linear follows ln. So here's the idea. For this one here, I can't use linearity concept because this is not linear. In other words, I will apply what we called partial fraction here. Now, how do I know our partial fraction here? Go and watch a division video in my playlist. Go and learn how it works. Now, there are two conditions when it comes to partial fraction. There are two conditions to watch out for. If the power of numerator and denominator are of the same thing, let's say the power up here is 3, the power here 2 is 3. I'll use partial fraction. That's first case. Case 2 is that if the power of numerator is lesser, denominator is what? Higher. I'll use what? Partial fraction. In this case, the second one I said now follows that case. So the power of the denominator is higher than what? Higher than the numerator. I'll use what there? Partial fraction to what? To resolve it. That's it, please. That's all. So let's solve this one here using partial fraction. Now, partial fraction is simply a method or technique of expressing a single fraction as the sum or difference of several other fractions. Now listen, please, look up. I want to break this fraction into several fractions. That's the idea of what? Partial fraction. So look up, please. I'll bring out 1 over v squared. So let's solve this one here using partial fraction, please. We said your first task, write out this one outside this way. I have this one here. So here's the idea, please. Here's the idea. Your first task, if you have watched my video on partial fraction, your first task is to factorize. In this case here, this is now equal to 1 over v into v plus 2. Factorize that thing first. After factorizing, I have this and this are the same thing. So the first task when it comes to partial fraction is what? Factorize denominator, please, not numerator. Focus on what there is denominator. So I have this one here. When you are done, I'll now write out the partial fraction general form of this one here. If I have 1 over v into v plus 2, the partial fraction general form becomes a all over this v plus b all over this second one here. That's v plus 2. This is called the partial fraction general form of this one here. Next task, take LCM. Take LCM. That gives you 1 over v into v plus 2 is equals, LCM here gives you both of them, v plus 2. V plus 2. The two of them are at the LCM. Now look up, please. If this v cancel this v, I have this one left. This one times this gives you a into v plus 2. Alright. This look like this. This cancel this. I have v left. V times v, that gives you plus v. Alright. Expanding numerator. Perhaps I want to equating numerator, equating numerator. What do we get? If I what's it called? If I equate numerator, what do we get? Let's see. From here, it gives you 1. I have 1 equals a times b gives you av plus a times 2 gives you 2a plus bv. This one here. I have equate numerator. From here, collect like terms here. Like terms here, collection of like terms. That gives you this one equals AV. Also collect like terms here. From here, AV plus BV plus BV plus 2A. Now factorize B outside from here. That gives you 1 equals A plus B. Then I can put B here because A times B, AV, plus B times B, BV. See the same thing, right? So I can have it this way, plus 2A. All right, plus 2A. My next task here is to compare coefficients. All these things I'm saying are steps you should not forget when it comes to partial fraction. I have done the video on that. If you don't know all this concept, go and watch partial fraction, go and learn. From here, this gives you, so next task now, compare coefficient, please. Comparing coefficient. Now for V, so for V on the left hand side, is there any term that has V? I'm just saying only one here, only one. There's no anything that has V here, just one. That's one. So in that case, there's no V term. That's 0 equals. Is there value? See this in this right hand side now. There's a V term here. That's what? A plus B. Call this one option 1. Next task for constant. Constant, I have 1. 1 is a constant equals, constant here is 2A. I have equation 2. From equation 2, I can get A easily. That is to say, I have 1 equals 2A. Make A subject divided by 2 by 2. It means that A is equal to 1 over 2. That's A. Let's get B. How do you get B? From here, I have from equation 2, I have that 0 equals to A plus B. Make B subject. Take A. Yeah, that gives you minus A equals B. That gives you from equation 2, this one here. So equation 1 per se, please. Equation 1, this one here. Equation 1, this one here, I have 0 equals to A plus B. Next step, so take this A here, that gives you negative A equal to B. That gives you negative A, 1 over 2. 1 over 2 equals B. So it means that B is what? Negative half, while A is plus half. I'll put A and B into partial fraction general form, which is this one here. This one. I'll put A and B back here. So let's see what we get. Don't forget that I'm solving this one, just only this. So I'll attach this one back to the question, please. So from here, let's see what we get. I think, so I'll put back, so put A and B back. So from here, I have 1 over V into V plus 2 is equal to, I have A all over V plus B over V plus 2. So this is my partial fraction general form. So I'll put A and B back here. So in other words, I'll take this one down. Take this down. That gives you 1 over V into V plus 2. So from here, that gives you, I have 1 over, this one here is this, is equal to A. We said A is 1 over 2. That gives you 1 over 2 all over V plus b is minus half. That's minus 1 over 2 all over b plus 2. To save time, why simplifying this? This gives you 1 over v into v plus 2 is equal to this 2 times v. That gives 2v. So that gives you 1 over 2v. Multiply this down with this one here. Multiply this with this. That gives you, so plus minus gives you minus 1 over this 2 times. This gives you 2 into v plus 2. To save time, multiply the denominator here with this one here. 2 times v gives 2v. 2 times this gives you 2 into this plus this. So negative plus minus gives you minus. So I have this one here. So this is there, please. This single fraction is broken down now. This single fraction is now broken down into several other fractions. So what I was having before was the integral of 1 over v squared plus 2v. V times v squared plus v times 2v, right? With the v equals the integral of what? 1 over x dx. When I work on this fraction now can be expressed as this. So I'll have the integral, open a bracket, this fraction, this one here, can be expressed as this. That gives you 1 over 2v minus 1 over 2v plus 2. All right. Close the bracket. Of course, I have the v outside. 1 over v squared plus 2v can be expressed as these two fractions equals integral of what? 1 over x with respect to the x. Let's proceed from here. Let's proceed from here. So that gives you, now listen please, multiply integral with each term and attach the s to the v to it. That gives you the integral of 1 over 2v. Attach the v, then minus integral of 1 over 2 into v plus 2. Attach the v to it equals the integral of what? 1 over x dx. Constant term here is 1 over 2. Integral of 1 over v dv minus 1 over 2 constant term. Integral of what? 1 over v plus 2 equals, this one gives you ln x plus c. Now, if that says that gives you 1 over 2. Integrate 1 over v, that gives you ln v equals, minus 1 over 2. In this one, I have ln into v plus 2 equals ln x plus c. Next priority is that I can see half. That's half outside. That should give you 1 over 2 into ln v minus ln into v plus 2. I have this one here equals ln x plus c. Put v as y over x. That gives you 1 over 2 into ln v is y over x minus ln v is y over x plus 2. I have this one here is equal to ln x plus c. So from here I can actually stop it here, still correct. So let's stop it here, please. So this is how you solve this problem. So to make y solve it here is somehow complicated, right? So it's possible there are some questions that you can't have an exact final answer. You just stop, solve, and stop wherever you see that it can't move further. So I can stop it here. If I want, I can apply logarithm concept here, right? But it's okay like this, right? So that I solve this particular question.
Alright guys, you can now join my channel membership to have access to exclusive videos of mine which most people will not have access to. To get this link, membership program, as you can see the left hand side of the screen, you can see the YX/JAM classes. You can go there. It of course 1,000 naira, or you go for the other level student to have access to both. Right. So once you join the channel membership for other level students, you will have access to both the WAEC and the JAM classes with the other level itself. So do well to join this membership to support our online academic session. See you guys sooner. Guys, I just launched some courses on my website. These courses include physics tutorial for year 1 student, YX/JAM student, YX/JAM classes for JAM student, and also I have the organic chemistry for beginners. So these courses, you can get these courses on my website, as you can see displayed at the right hand side of the screen. I just launched a book called The Shortcut to Academic Success. In this book, I share a lot of experience on how I evaluated during my time in school. This method really helped me a lot. If you're interested in getting this book, simply chat me up through my WhatsApp number that is shown in the screen,